Sigma, sigma boy, sigma boy, sigma boy. Каждая девчонка хочет танцевать с тобой. Sigma, sigma boy, sigma boy, sigma boy. Я такая, все, что ты перед собой. Sigma, sigma boy, sigma boy, sigma boy. Каждая девчонка хочет танцевать с тобой. Sigma, sigma boy, sigma boy, sigma boy.
Hi guys, welcome back. This is Pradeep Kumar from PK Rain Technologies. This is your first video. I'm very glad to see you all here. Okay, this is a video about how we are gonna set up our lab. Actually, before doing anything, we require a lab, not a real lab, guys. A virtual lab. Actually, a virtual lab inside your laptop, which has the ability to run all kinds of AI codes as well as all kinds of machine learning, deep learning algorithms without any errors. Okay, we will see in this video how to set up that and where we should get our VS Code, which is an official one, a fully secure one. We need to get it because our security is the first priority. So where we should get it, and plugins. What does it mean by plugins? Plugins are the basic tools, which is a kind of library where we can pick which book we require, and which is not required we can just place it there without disturbing our laptop's internal storage. So we will learn how to install our required plugins and what are the basics code we need to run to find our lab is successfully built or not. The first thing we will learn. Second thing, we will create an account in Google Colab actually. Then we will try to get some data sets from Kaggle. First, we will get some data sets from Kaggle and try to run them with our own Python code. After that, we will try to create our own data sets. We will share you how to create your own data sets and how to take images based on that and everything on more. Okay guys, this is about it. Let's deep dive into our video. Come on.
Hi guys, in this video we are gonna see how to set up our lab, a virtual lab to run all kinds of programs without any error. First of all, you need to go with Google, and once you go open a new tab on Google, in this you need to go to VS Code. VS Code's official websites. Once you reach that website, just go inside. Once you get this page, just click download. It will automatically download the VS Code and take you to the page. Let's wait until the download completed. Once the downloading completed, just click the download back arrow and you can see the VS Code. I have already installed it, so I did not download it again. Just to install it. Once you install the VS Code, go to Python's official website. Here, just search for Python. Get this website. You can click the download the latest version, or else I won't always I won't recommend you to go with the latest version. Why? Because latest version has some bugs. Once they release the version only, they will start fixing their bugs. So always try to go with the previous versions. Like this, can you see here pre-released? These are all pre-released. These are all bug fixed, secured. So always go with the previous versions. So our program will run without any errors. Always we require our program to run without any errors. No, if runs with errors means there will be many issues we will be facing with other plugins while we are going with that, because we are gonna try basics and advanced AI and ML programs, including DL. So always go with the bug-free versions in Python. Okay. And one more thing, you can ask me why we want to go with VS Code. We can use any other compiler like Atom, something like that, IntelliJ IDE. I will always recommend you to go with VS Code. Why? Because VS Code, once VS Code is installed, you can go here. You will get a interface like this, like this. The interface will look like this. Why I will always recommend you to go with VS Code means VS Code is used in all over the world by all the developers. Why? Because it allows you to go access as well as you the terminal, all kinds of ports. If you go here means you can check ports. What is meant by the ports? If you're gonna go to big industries, like let us take the car industry, like Tata, Hyundai, Ferrari, Mercedes, Ferrari, Benz, Lamborghini, and Rolls Royce. If you take those means, you need to get the live data sets from the robots. At that time, there will be a connection point from your laptop or as a supercomputer with the hardware in their factories. So the ports provide you a connection between them, like acts as a bridge between them. So always you go with VS Code. I have already used Atom and IntelliJ ID for many purposes, but they are all just for education purpose. Atom is good for a commercial purpose also, but it won't provide many features. But VS Code provides a huge amount of features where you can do all the tasks easy and convenient. Okay, yeah. Once you have done all this, yeah. Now go to Google Chrome again. Yeah, open the Google Chrome again and go to Google Colab. Just search for, sorry, Colab. Collab. Search for Collab. Google Collab. You will get this. Create a new account in Google Collab and open it. I will send you the code in the WhatsApp group. You just need to run that code in VS Code as well as in the Google Colab. Now, once you open all this, you need to install Python. Just go to Python after you have downloaded it. Just go to the download bar, just double tap it. It will automatically start to install. In this, make sure you check this checkbox and go to customize installation. If any of this box are left without checking, just check that checkboxes and click next. And here you should check all the boxes to be checked, because we are not doing this only for education purpose. We are going to build our own virtual lab for doing freelancing jobs and many things, many projects. Just install. You will have this. Go with yes. Why? Because I'm giving no. I have already installed it. So I'm giving no. Just one all the tasks completed. You go to your VS Code again. Just open the VS Code again. Just open the VS Code again. Once you open this VS Code, you will get a page like this. Take the code from WhatsApp, what I have sent you, and open a notepad, new notepad, and paste it inside the notepad. Okay, I have already done it, but this is a different code. This is a project about DL. It's an higher end project. We have done it and delivered it yesterday only. Actually, this is the project. You will also work on these kinds of project in upcoming days. So just save it as py.py. Always save it as .py. Here you need to go with it will be txt. Just remove this and go with the py. Once you saved it, I have already saved it, so only it's showing like that. Once you save it, go here and go open folder. Not open folder, go with open files. Okay, go with open files. Or else you can go here also, go to files and open folder only. Go to open folder and go with downloads where I have stored it. If you store it in different place, open it there. Always go with open, not go with open restriction mode, sir. So you can't able to run it. Once you go with the open mode, you can able to run it. Okay, here run and you can able to double click here and let me make it as a full screen so it will be easy for me to see. Once you paste got this page, just right click it and you can run it Python terminal. If you're not getting the like this means you should just close it and open it again. Once you installed everything, I recommend you to restart your computer again, then you try to run your Python code. Actually, this is the sample images how it will be working. Like this the output, like you can see the matrix forms and it will be used to say what is the defected one, what is good. like that. It goes on based on your computer speed and the network speed. The output varies. This is the thing, guys. This is just an introduction about it. So don't worry, you will learn everything about it. You will feel like it is easy. I'm damn sure about it. Okay. I think you can able to see it. Each of the modules will run one by one. It will take some time because it's a huge code. This is about the coding. Now let me go with the data sets. Actually, uh, I'll go to your files. Actually, this data set you will get afterwards. I will just give you an overview about the data sets, how to be and how it is separated. This is my data sets. Here you can see that this is the trained data sets. Actually, it is in the form of CSV file. You can ask me, so why it is not about the CSV files? Actually, it's an Excel file. You can ask me. But Excel files it's just a name difference. Actually, Excel files are for Windows computers and laptops, but CSV for Linux. Why? Because most of the servers and everything runs with the Linux operating systems. So only the form of CSV you can able to understand. CSV is nothing but it is separated within the lines, columns. It is just blank white sheet separated like that. In the future, coming classes, we will train it with Linux operating system, so it will be clear for you back up. When if you want to create something in Excel sheet in Linux means that it will be always in the form of a CSV file, not Excel sheet itself. So this is our quickly trained data sets where you are getting output and the stuff. Okay. After this, you can go to files. Just open it. I will show you these are the pre-processed data images, which is converted into a CSV file. You can able to see this. I think so. These are all images we have got data. We have taken from various places. Actually, the pre-processed images of 6,392 images from here, and pre-processed images are quite big. It's itself a little small quantity of images. It goes in lakhs. Actually, there will be two kinds of images, training images. There will be a training on the yeah, these are the training image. You can see the training image will be 7,000. This is only for training purpose. And the testing images. Testing images will go quite low, like 1,000 images. These images are unique and not duplicate of training images. Then we will get a accurate data outputs like how accurate it is, like 97.5, something like that. Actually, this project is based on real time based, actually, a phone app where you can check your eyes. Is it okay or some issues with your eyes or there? Like in the meanwhile, if you check it, means the data sets will be okay. This data sets Excel sheet extended. Okay, and just raw files while training and testing with the programs like testing data, like um, keep a note of it. Like this only, it should be first folder. In that folder, two data sets of CSV file, as well as the pre-processed image. And other images like training and data set should be in one file. Inside that should be a file. Inside that, it should be a data set, like complete data sets for our understanding, especially a training and testing data set should be there. This is a procedure how a file should look like, a data sets containing file should look like. And this is the things, guys, about this class. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask me. And one more thing I forgot to say you that you need to go with some plugins. here you need to go to your extension. This part will be in your left side actually. I have customized it based on my convenient. Here is everything search bar and debug and source extensions. Once you click this extensions, you need to search for Python. Once you search for Python, it will show you the extensions in these extensions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. These 8 extensions will be installed one by one. So carefully install all these extensions and then restart your computer and try to run the code. Actually, guys, when the in a VS Code, check the time, how much time it is taking to run, and run the code on a Google Colab and check the time with mobile stopwatch, how much time it is taking to run, and take a screenshot of both and put the time and send it in the WhatsApp group. If you have any doubts, any issues, errors you are getting on, kindly feel free to ask me or put it in the WhatsApp group. I will reply to your messages. And make sure you take the screenshot and you put the time, how much time is taken, and send it with your name. Okay, you can take your time. Actually, you have time full time if next day. So do it slowly without any error. Try to understand each and every lines of code. We will see you on next video, guys. All the best. Bye bye.